Sunday morning from Sydney. Just walking off a bit of jet lag after dropping in for a week of work. It's actually where the office used to be. It's actually moved from here this last couple months. It's further up George Street, but I always enjoy walking across St. Martin's Square. Down on the rocks. Saturday, Sunday market's a lot of fun, a lot of great stuff here. Continue to wander on to beat jet lag, or at least stay awake. But over in the botanical garden. Welcome to the Opera House, David. I've only photographed it and been outside and around at sunset. Your mom's the one that's been inside. You'll have to ask her what it's like.